How to fix Sons of the Forest multiplayer not working and connectivity issues on PC. 1. Reboot your PC. 2. Check your internet connection. 3. Sync your time, date, and region. 4. Allow the program, sunsoftforest.exe, through antivirus and firewall. 5. Verify the game files in Steam. 6. Disable manual proxy. 7. Delete the local save files at c:\users\left bracket your username /appdata/local low /endnight/sons of the forest /saves. 8. Do network troubleshooting. Hints. 1. You may run Windows Network Adapter Troubleshooter. 2. Run the following commands as admin. IP protocol configuration /flushins IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /renew netshare winsock reset netshare int IP reset netshare interface IPv4 reset netshare interface IPv6 reset netshare interface TCP reset 3. Switch to a different network and use an Ethernet cable, if you can. 4. Reset your network connection. 9. Uninstall then reinstall the game.